Today we're in the great community of Annabellas on the beach. Tell us, Britt.
Absolutely, just a few minutes to the beach. This 3-bedroom townhome is a great buy to live here or to have as a second home.
Yes.
Price to sell.
And this community's great. You've got these water features, you've got a pool, everything is right here, Central Panama City Beach. It's perfect.
Let's go check it out. This little townhome has just enough space downstairs. We have a little kitchen that flows into the living room very seamlessly. Taller ceilings and natural light flowing in makes the space feel even more expansive.
And the 3 bedrooms upstairs are separated from the living space. You have beautiful ensuite, ample room, a nice large closet. Annabellas is a great place for a family. For more information, look in that description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one. I don't know if you know, but I just won the award.
Hashtag winning.
It's, oh my God.
I wish I could do that.
Access to, what do I say? Natural light out, me. Side, that sucks. Off.
Living.